If you have been following me for a while, you probably know my aim is to help people creating their essential lives and quitting their 9 to 5. So I just wanted to give you an advanced warning here. There's going to be some seriously powerful stuff coming up. Now this stuff is literally going to be rocket fuel that's designed to somebody who's looking to start or build an online business and make a better life for themselves, into really taking action on the stuff that counts and helping them to make progress and helping them to move forward to making their essential lives. So click down below to subscribe to my YouTube and Facebook so you can be updated with some of those powerful stuff that's coming up. It's all free. Now, it's designed to help you. So click down the link down below or the button down below to subscribe to my Facebook and my YouTube so you don't miss out on any of those powerful stuff. Okay? So please do me the favor, do not miss out on this, because this is going to help you in the way that it helped me develop the techniques, the skills, every single part of building an online business, overcoming fears, and there's so much powerful stuff that's gonna be out there. So please take a second, subscribe to the YouTube and the Facebook so you don't miss out again. And I will see you on the other side. Bye.